Hello, everyone! Today, we're gonna face the elements, so throw on your life vest just in case, and let's get it on. He's done with today's shift. The janitors at the New York City subway have the day off too. If you play this video in reverse, they're doing a pretty good job. This fire hydrant is being proactive. The Tiger Leaping Gorge in China always attracts tourists, but during heavy rains, there is a special sight to behold. And this is what the Yangtze River overflow looked like in one of China's mega cities. This cone is warning us of some danger. We don't envy whoever was the first to make this discovery. An epic fountain appeared next to a highway in Ghana.
Wow! Unbelievable stuff, man. I can't explain this.
But apart from the cameraman, nobody cares. You don't have to go to the Valley of Geysers if your town has poor public services. It's a shame, but there are worse situations. Mumbai has never been so close to launching its own space program. This is Florida, which means there are probably a couple of alligators lurking in the water. Someone tell the sailors there's no need to scrub the deck anymore. Let's choose the most spectacular spillway. The Turbella Dam in Pakistan? Or Kamigo Dam in Japan? This is the fourth flood in 2 weeks in Pakistan. The first one destroyed a stone bridge on the same spot and then washed away a temporary bridge. And that first bridge probably looked like this. The worst thing about this flood is that it ignores directions. It's probably not the way you dreamed you'd see Las Vegas. But it is what it is. However, the show must go on. The famous high roller Ferris wheel kept going no matter what. We also discovered a new side of Dubai. Looks like this is personal. But not as personal as this. This is what Venice would look like without its architectural treasures. If one day a meteor falls on the Earth, this lady will provide us with the best footage. People in this hotel didn't visit the sea for a long time, so the sea decided to visit them.
Ay, mi madre. Vámonos de aquí, mira, 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 mira. Vámonos de aquí, que nos vamos a jugar y todo.
The only thing to be happy about is that it's not a toilet. Cars in this parking lot got a free anti-theft system. This is Lake Berryessa, and the water has risen to this level for the first time in 20 years. 71,000 gallons a second are flowing into the gutter right before your eyes. But that's nothing compared to dumping thousands of barrels. You'll be even more shocked to learn that this is the second floor.
We gotta listen. Come on, we gotta.
You're so kidding.
Move.
Oh my gosh.
That's already like 4 feet down.
Wait, okay.
Wow.
Just pouring some rice on the windowsill would have been enough.
That's disgusting.
I don't know what else to do from it damaging stuff. Like it's just coming in. If we can just put it.
It's a wave for the coolest surfers. It looks more like the aftermath of an accident at Willy Wonka's factory than a natural disaster.
This is what I'm dealing with. And I gotta go get in that and shut it off. The whole warehouse is flooded.
When you finally decide to move away from your parents. Strike! There's clearly more than one bonus flowing away with the water.